Hey guys, what's going on? With another video here, H.Your Princess Bamboo. And today, my friends were on my computer. Not my computer, but like my account, and they were messing with my stuff while I was playing my speed kind of paints, but I don't really paint because I use other people's bases because I suck at drawing. Yay! I am a very stupid person, I noticed that. Good job. Good job, 80% bamboo. Alright. Where is my... Why did they turn all my animals into boys? Why did my friend turn all my animals boys? Oh, right. She's mad at me. I curse you. I hate you, and I curse you. A lot. A lot. Like, all of you guys. I hate you. My animal just went to nothing. Okay, that's nice. Load. Spec. S. Hello. The lag is just real again. 80%. Animal Jam needs to control their lag. I swear. My gosh. My god, I can't even type. I can't even type. This is not good. The worst thing. Okay. Did my spike even go on? AJ! Animal Jam headquarters! Fix this lag! It's going through everyone. And not only me, because my friends also have it, and they're like, I suck at this game, so I'm gonna move on to Roblox. Also, yes, I do play Roblox. The description will be down below my video, my username. If you guys want to friend me in Roblox, I would probably accept, and if I don't accept, it's because I really am not in the mood. Oh my gosh, what is it? Where is my head? Stuff. Please. Hello? I'll just use this. There we go. There we go. That's my animal. Now, where to go? Because I don't know really where to go. Oh, if you guys didn't know, there's a new land, and you guys should totally check it out. Like, Animal Jam put their all effort into this, and I almost have all the things inside the little book here at the top. Like, I almost have all the things for my journey book, and which is pretty awesome. I guess this guy also looking for it. Dude, the frog's over there. I did not find it. At least that's what everyone told me. They're just like, yeah, it's over there. But I'm just like, bitch, where? But seriously, guys, you should really play Animal Jam. It's a fun game, and it's appropriate for all kids. I mean, go play it. Don't smoke weed, children. Also, yes, there is a Salamandammer on the top. A Salamandammer. Fudge, I think I just made a meme. A Salamandammer. There's a Salamandammer on the top. Can I please click? Thank you. I am mad right now at the computer because it does not spawn. Spawn to me, senpai! Oof. Thank you. I am not gonna waste my life watching a frog appear right here, because that will just suck, and I don't suck. So I'm gonna waste my little pitiful life on drawing, because you guys want, I want you guys to see how I suck. I just suck at drawing. You just need to see it for yourself. Okay, we're gonna try the pixel one first, because I'm better. Actually, I'm horrible at that. Is horrible is even a word? The thing is, the thing. Alright, let's draw my animal. No! Okay, can this? I spelled an I. Good job, computer. You learned your alphabet. Now can you let me draw? Oh my god! I'm done. I can't do this. Okay, let's draw this again, I guess. Go top and go bottom. Can I please let me draw? There. Fudge. I guess that's the best. Let's fill at least the Also, did anyone hear in the news that in Florida somebody was going to go to a school, Cyprus and something? I was pretty creeped out by it. Luckily, I didn't go to school, so I didn't hear anything of that. Alright guys, I'm gonna end the video here because I'm lagging way too much. And see you guys later.